Hello friends, welcome to CEC Gurukul live lecture. Dear friends, this is a session on career counseling called Pratibha Samvardhan, and today we are discussing on very interesting topics. It is related to your careers. You might not have think about this area, but from today onwards, you are going to take a charge of your own lives, because we are today discussing on liberal education, what liberal education is and where finally it is going to take you. It is you who is going to decide. For this discussion, we have with us in our studios Vrinda Tandon, an outreach person who keeps on reaching the students because she believes she is the one who can change students' life, because she is from the area of liberal education and she knows where is the road, where is the path, which path is the best for you. So she keeps on motivating you. So let's take more advantages from her experiences, because she keeps on meeting students like you on day-to-day basis, and you might get answer to one of your questions which she is going to give you through this session. So let's welcome our guest, Vrinda Tandon. Welcome to the session once again. And as we have deliberately and I should say at a stretch, we talked on the liberal education, and we have discussed how students take a charge.
Of course.
They can decide what they want to study. Now, again, there is a dilemma in my mind. Dilemma in the sense, because I'm very fresh. I have just passed out from the school, and liberal education is new to me. I want to do a lot in life, and many of the subjects lure me, and I want to be into every area. I want to learn everything. But who finally decides which subjects are to be taken? It is the university or the college, or the student has this privilege that he or she can randomly select subjects?
No. So basically what happens, ma'am, let's start from the very beginning, right? When you're filling up a form for a university, India mein there is this point of view that you'll have to declare कि BBA करना है या BCom करना उस time पे, right? In such structures where in a pedagogy like ours, like a liberal education pedagogy, your form, when I said it's dynamic, nowhere in the form are we asking कि पढ़ना क्या है इसके आगे, until unless we're asking for an intended major. When we say intended major, I think मैं ये पढ़ना चाहता हूँ. From your list of subjects, मुझे ये 2 subjects strike कर रहे हैं and ये शायद मैं पढ़ना चाहूँगा. उसका सिर्फ एक ही मतलब है हमारे लिए. We're just trying to understand what is the bent of mind of the child. क्योंकि the application process that we have, there is a form that you're filling up. You're sitting for aptitude assessments after that, and you're also sitting for interviews after that. उस interview में probably the interviewer can take that from your form and say, okay, so you've put economics and finance. Why economics and finance? At that point of time, you can tell us why economics and finance, right? Because हम समझ पाएंगे कि okay ठीक है, this child has clarity कि ये शायद ये पढ़ना चाहेगा, but still, once you start your foundation courses, you also have a few electives. इस स्ट्रक्चर में ऐसा कोई रोक टोक नहीं है कि आप रैंडमली किसी क्लास में जाके नहीं बैठ सकते. In fact, I had a student who studied physics and philosophy together and had a few classes of history here and there because he was interested. So, you basically explore for the first 1.5 years. You get ample guidance in terms of peer mentoring. You get professor mentor programs. You get professor hours where you can actually sit with your professors and ask कि okay, I'm interested in this particular field, but ये इस subject के साथ link हो रही है या नहीं हो रही है? How will I move further in life with that? So there is enough mentorship throughout, which will help, right? So you decide your own majors and your minors with a lot of guidance and with full clarity. ऐसा नहीं होता है कि randomly आपने जाके बोल दिया कि मुझे ना आज लग रहा है कि मैं इंग्लिश कर लेता हूँ, परसों आप बोल रहे हो कि मैं पॉलिटिकल साइंस कर लेता हूँ, अच्छा नहीं मैं दोनों को मर्ज कर देता हूँ. ऐसे रैंडमली नहीं बोला जाता है. बेसिकली यू पुट अ लॉट ऑफ थॉट इनटू इट. यू अटेंड मल्टीपल क्लासेस. यू टॉक टू मल्टीपल प्रोफेसर्स हु हैव बीन इन दिस रेल्म फॉर years. In fact, the space that I have worked in, there have been professors जिनका 40-40 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है और वो आके बता रहे हैं कि बच्चे तुम बने हो हिस्ट्री के लिए. You can study this particular subject, go forward with it. Yeah, somebody is coming and telling you that, you know what, you are a student who can do very well with biology and physics together and study that particular subject together. And then you take it forward and you take your research also forward in that direction. And after that, the sky is the limit, right? So yeah.
Yes, sky is the limit, and after I have decided what I actually want to
Yeah.
study, then I am more curious, and because I'm more curious, now I want to go for the higher studies.
Right.
So, what are the options available for the higher studies in India and abroad?
So, like I said, ma'am, a lot of times you've you've made up your mind that this is my combination, this is what I want to study. After that, you can actually enter the mainstream also. You can enter, you can go for some very different courses out abroad or in India as well. So, for example, the students that I've worked with in the past, or that I've seen in this particular realm, is I've seen students going for degrees after this, their master's degree in ISB. I've seen them going to LSEs also, which is London School of Economics, and ISB is actually Indian School of Business. Sorry, which is right. So that is one. I have seen students going back into IITs, maybe directly pursuing their PhDs after this, because the research becomes so strong, they can actually enter the realm of PhDs right after this. Then I have seen students going all the way to University of Pennsylvania, University of Cambridge, Harvard, and again, you've studied, for example, encryption in computer science. Your entire research, the entirety of your computer science degree is encryption related. You want to go for masters in encryption, you can do that. I have students who are actually studying at Yale right now, and they plan to take this forward and become professors later, right? So that is also something that you can do. And when I talk about higher education, again, liberal education does play a role here, because you can also shift gears. You were a physics major in your undergrad, you can become a biology major in your masters. You can do that. That's how liberal education functions. It's okay. We are open to these ideas, right? So yeah.
Because our objective is to create better understanding in an individual, so that he can excel anywhere, everywhere he goes.
So basically, मैम होता क्या है, a lot of times एक Indian mindset बना होता है that आपको एक डिग्री चाहिए. Everybody is running after that one particular degree, right? ये डिग्री होगी तो इसके बाद हम ये तो definitely कर सकते हैं. A lot of times people are like, okay, BBA के बाद MBA कर लेंगे, and then we'll go in and probably get a job in one of the big fours, and then we'll go, our life is set. What people don't really know, what parents and students are not really aware of today, is MBA एक open course है. You can do it after a BA honors.
Exactly.
I'm a BA honors, so I've done a BA honors in French from Delhi University, and I have an MBA in international business. मैंने French के बाद MBA किया है. मेरी ही क्लास में एक, I remember somebody who came from advertising in an MBA. I remember somebody who was actually an English major and is doing an MBA. Sociology का बच्चा भी MBA कर पा रहा है. So एक वो connection somehow हमारे mindset में ना बन नहीं पाता है that these degrees that you're running after is not the final goal. The final goal has to be knowledge building, which a liberal education setup will give you. It will give you the understanding of your own discipline, of your own self. And then you can actually make better decisions for your own self and for your own life. That is the final motive of this particular structure. So,
and this is for what NEP is, talking more about liberal education. It should be implemented. It should be adopted by the students, adopted by the parents too.
Yes.
Those who are the crucial decision makers. So NEP is all saying about how to inculcate and how to practice these subjects at a stretch. Now, another important question, because the students who might be watching us right now, and some of the students might not be into liberal education, but they might be doing something else. अब उनके दिमाग में आ रहा होगा कि हमें पहले क्यों नहीं पता लगा, हमें किसी ने पहले क्यों नहीं बताया कि हम भी liberal education जैसे एरिया में अपने एक्सेल कर सकते हैं. If somebody is into a particular area, for example, somebody is doing a BA program in particular subject, अब उसको लग रहा है कि अब मुझे liberal education की तरफ जाना चाहिए, because it is the more appropriate area or more appropriate field where it will make my my ways diverse, because then I'll having the multiple option. उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए क्या ये फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी होती है दैट एट अ सर्टेन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम वो इन सब्जेक्ट्स को पढ़ सकें?
सो आज की डेट में अगेन बहुत सारी लोगों को ये पता नहीं है, बट देयर आर फ्यू फेलोशिप्स दैट हैव स्टार्टेड. अगेन आई एम गोना टेक माय ओन एग्जांपल, सॉरी, बट I became a liberal education advocate after studying in a liberal education structure after an MBA. मैं एक डबल मास्टर्स हूँ. डबल मास्टर्स इसलिए हूँ बिकॉज आई हैव डन फ्रेंच ऑनर्स, देन आई हैव डन एन MBA इन इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस. अब मैंने कहा फील्ड तो समझ ही नहीं आ रही, MBA तो बहुत वास्ट है. विच डायरेक्शन डू आई वांट टू गो इनटू, विच इज दैट वन स्पेस दैट आई वांट टू गेट इनटू. मैनेजमेंट इज अ ह्यूज स्पेस.
एग्जैक्टली.
एंड लैंग्वेज का बेस हो गया, जिसमें कम्युनिकेशन का बेस आ गया, बिजनेस का बेस हो गया, सब कुछ कर लिया. एंड जनरली हिंदुस्तान में तो ये बोला जाता है कि आपने MBA कर लिया तो हो गया काम खत्म, अब
नौकरी
तो
मिल जाएगी,
नौकरी
आसानी
मिल ही
से.
जाएगी. अब ये चीज़ तो किसी ने समझा ही नहीं कि भाई फील्ड भी तो चूज करना है. So then I got into a fellowship, and I was very lucky to get into that fellowship because I was actually the second cohort of that fellowship,
Wonderful.
wherein I studied 32 modules in 1 year.
Very nice.
उन 32 modules के बाद and एक live action project करने के बाद मुझे समझ में आया that education is the space that makes me happy. And then after that, my present organization happened, and वहाँ से now we're just moving forward. So it's things like these that will matter because आज की date में इंडिया के अंदर it's not just the fellowships. You can actually shift gears and go towards a new masters. Like for example, there was this one student who said मुझे medical करना था, but medical तो clear हुआ नहीं, तो मैंने English honors कर लिया because मेरे parents ने बोला कि undergrad तो करना ही है. And this is somebody who's coming from a very lower strata. This is not somebody who's coming from a huge thing. तो lower middle class से बच्चा था मेरे पास. And she was like, लेकिन I don't want to do anything in English. मुझे नहीं इसमें interest. मुझे जाना तो वापस बायो में ही है. अब मेडिकल का एग्ज़ाम तो क्लियर करने का टाइम नहीं, तो अब मुझे नहीं पता क्या करना है. My suggestion to this child was get into a pharmaceutical company and do their content writing. You're good at content writing. You're an English major. Literature की understanding है. So why can't you apply that? So research in bio and chemistry will keep going on. वो होता रहेगा और साथ साथ content writing हो जाएगी. That's how you can form your own career and you can actually mold your career according
And
to
we
your
need
whims and
content
fancies.
writers everywhere. In every field,
That's the
whether
thing.
you are into sciences, non-sciences, you are into the medical, engineering,
Hanji.
you are automobile industry,
Right.
hotel industry, in any of the
Everywhere.
industry, you require content
Exactly.
writers.
So that's the point. So when people say कि अब तो हमने undergrad कर लिया, लेकिन अब हमें liberal education में जाना है, you can enter that space anywhere from any direction. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि तुम्हें सिर्फ उसके लिए पढ़ाई ही करनी है, तुम अपनी करियर भी उस तरफ का बना सकते हो. अगर करियर नहीं बनाना है, पढ़ाई ही करनी है, select a different subject that you want to study. You've done pol science honors in your undergrad, maybe take history in your masters, or take international relations in your masters. Take it to a different level. You can do that. A lot of courses out there are in fact open courses. हाँ, कुछ स्पेसिफिक कोर्सेज ऐसे होते हैं जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आपके फिजिक्स ऑनर्स हो गया या मैथ्स ऑनर्स हो गया, जिसमें बेस चाहिए है, कुछ नहीं कर सकते उसमें. In some cases, even in some universities, economics is also an open course. Why not apply there, right? So you can do that. That's
Very
not a
true.
problem.
Very
You
true.
can create a more diverse CV for your own self. So yeah, that's how it
So
comes
you
in.
have motivated us to such a level that I need to quote it over here, that there is always a B, C, D, E
Yeah,
plan.
yeah.
So you need not to worry.
Yeah.
Even if you fail, you have other plans lined up for you.
Okay.
So if one of the options fails, you have other plans.
Of course.
Now also we have we have both success and failure rates, specifically when we talk about the UPSC aspirants. Because we know what is the stature of
Yeah.
the UPSC aspirants,
yeah.
how difficult it is
Yeah,
to
yeah.
get into the UPSC. But those students who fails, they think अब तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता. I have wasted my years. No, you have not wasted your years. You have this opportunity
Yeah.
that you can take advantages from what you have studied.
Yeah.
And yes, you need to study more, of course. But yes,
Ma'am, a lot of UPSC aspirants don't really realize this, that आपने एक undergrad किया हुआ है. To sit for a UPSC exam, you have to do an undergrad. Even if you've done it in political science, get into public policy. Of course, you're not the decision maker, but you can still affect decisions, right? Get into public administration, get into public policy. That will help. Because, चलो ठीक है, तो political science का हो गया. A lot of times, nowadays even engineers are sitting for these courses. You are an engineer. You can go back. It's fine. Or you can come into, again, policy making for engineers. You can do that. There is a lot of requirement for policy makers in the entire country today. We're a huge country. हर जगह पे किसी ना किसी जगह में policy making की ज़रूरत है. Why can't you get into that? Right? That can be your backup. You can always have a backup for any career that you're looking for.
And जिस भी sector में हम जाएं, it is not about one man army. You know,
Yeah,
we need
yeah.
multiple people who are having different knowledge to do that one particular task. So, of course, different education will help you there. Now, the another important question: placement. You might be, thrown up with such questions. प्लेसमेंट्स का क्या होगा? ये पढ़ने के बाद, लिबरल एजुकेशन के बाद बच्चे को नौकरी तो मिल जाएगी ना?
हाँ जी।
ही विल बी प्लेस्ड इन अ गुड कंपनी विद गुड पैकेज. तो ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आपके पास जरूर आते होंगे एंड यू माइट बी डीलिंग विद सच क्वेश्चंस.
100%. You talk to a parent and this is the first question that they ask. उन्होंने समझ लिया कि लिबरल एजुकेशन होता क्या है. उसके बाद हमारे पास डायरेक्टली सीधा सीधा यही क्वेश्चन आता है, अच्छा तो इसके बाद नौकरी कैसे मिलेगी? तो ऑनेस्टली लाइक आई सेड, दिस एंटायर स्ट्रक्चर इज अबाउट नॉलेज बिल्डिंग. तो वो तो हो गई पढ़ाई की बात. नाउ द स्किल्स दैट यू अक्वायर अलोंग द वे हेल्प यू विद द प्लेसमेंट पार्ट, राइट? Skills like critical thinking, logical reasoning, social awareness, your own disciplines, in-depth understanding, self-awareness, communication, collaboration, and all of these things put together, ये part and parcel होता है of a liberal education pedagogy, right? ये एक पढ़ने और पढ़ाने का तरीका है. That's what I started off with. इसी के अंदर जब आप इंडिविजुअली अपने ओपिनियंस फॉर्म करना शुरू करते हो, ये सब स्किल्स साथ साथ आती रहती है, विच इज़ वाई योर प्लेसमेंट्स ऑल्सो बिकम वेरी ईजी आफ्टर दैट. ईजी इन द सेंस यू कैन अप्लाई एनीवेयर दैट यू वांट. अब फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मैं कुछ एग्जांपल्स कोट करूँ, मैंने ऑलरेडी साइकोलॉजी को HR का बताया था. I have had students who've done political science majors and are now working with management consulting firms. I have seen a student coming up from a liberal education structure and getting hired at companies like Hindustan Unilever, जो सिर्फ B स्कूल से हायर करते हैं, लेकिन आज की डेट में वो ऐसे स्ट्रक्चर से भी हायर कर रहे हैं बिकॉज students are very adaptable. Students are able to understand themselves and then apply their knowledge that they've learnt along the way. So I have seen placements in all fields. I have seen it in banking and finance also. I have seen it in management consulting also, think tanks, research centers, in teaching jobs, in social sectors. आप कोई भी sector उठाओ, I have seen students getting placed there, and luckily because I said it's been more than a decade for such universities, हमारे पास बहुत सारी success stories हैं. हमारे पास इतनी सारी सक्सेस स्टोरीज हैं जो मैं आपको बता सकती हूँ कि alumni of these universities are actually across the world. I have seen them getting hired at World Bank. I have seen them getting hired at आपके Big Four तो हो ही गए. I've also seen them getting hired at companies like Twitter, like Google, and all of these places जहाँ पे बोला जाता है कि सिर्फ एक B.Tech का बच्चा अप्लाई कर सकता है. That's not the case. CS plus entrepreneurship has given you so much to learn and so many hands-on skills that you can actually get hired as a software engineer there. तुम्हारे पास B.Tech की डिग्री नहीं है, लेकिन तुम्हारे पास उस बच्चे की अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, उस पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट की, उस डिसिप्लिन की अंडरस्टैंडिंग है.
एंड इट इज एन ओल्ड सेइंग, काम तो आप जीवन में वो करें जो आपको पसंद हो, ना कि वो करें जिसके लिए आपको बोला जाए कि इस रास्ते पर चलो. क्योंकि जीवन एक है, जिंदगी एक है, तो जिंदा दिली से जीने के लिए जरूरी है कि उस काम को जरूर किया जाए व्हाट वी एक्चुअली वांट इन लाइफ. अदरवाइज आवर लाइफ वुड बी हेल. अर्निंग मनी, मेकिंग अर्निंग bread for yourselves, that is not the way which we want to have in our lives. Everybody wants to live the life beautifully. Now, as you yourself said that it gives a student a chance to critically think, to examine, to develop a sense of logical reasoning.
हाँ जी.
अब जिंदगी में इतनी जद्दोजहद है, everybody is after their work, their families and everything. The students who approaches for such subjects, for such areas, liberal education, I personally feel after listening to you, those students learn life skills too.
Yes.
हम जिंदगी के हर टेस्ट में पास हो जाते हैं, बस जिंदगी के टेस्ट में पास नहीं हो पाते हैं. सो लिबरल एजुकेशन आई थिंक विल गिव अ स्टूडेंट अ चांस
हाँ जी.
to learn this skill also.
Yes, that is very very true. When I talk about life skills, जैसे आपने बोला मैम, when a student has to start taking decisions, so again I'm not going to generalize it, but somehow एक ये होता है that in a parent-child relationship, generally the parents are taking those decisions for you. मैथ्स क्यों नहीं पढ़ना, पढ़ना तो पड़ेगा, क्यों छोड़ना है, उसके बाद बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस कम हो जाएंगे. अगर उस बच्चे ने उस मैथ्स को यूज़ ही नहीं करना आगे जाके, तो वो क्या करेगा मैथ्स पढ़ के? इज़ नॉट गोना वर्क आउट, राइट? सो वो सारे डिसीजंस, छोटे से छोटे, बड़े से बड़े, टिल द टाइम यूर इन 12th योर पेरेंट्स आर टेकिंग फॉर यू. Suddenly when you come to a university like this, you're literally deciding कि वो BA ऑनर्स होगा या BSc ऑनर्स होगा. वो अपनी डिग्री खुद चूज़ कर रहे हो आप. You are deciding which professor do you want to study with. You're deciding what time of the class do you want to study in. कि सुबह की क्लासेस लेनी है कि शाम की क्लासेस लेनी है. Down to what do I want to eat today, what do I not want to eat today, and all of these things. So एक वो जो opinion building and understanding of everything that's going on around you and that decision making that starts, you grow up. और तुम इतना beautifully grow up करते हो, then because then the world cannot tell you what to do after that. You take your own decisions and you actually decide for yourself, which makes a lot of difference. So वो धीरे 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 करके you teach yourself life skills. आज ये खाने का मन नहीं, आज ये बना लेते हैं, अच्छा चलो ये तो बन ही जाएगा, ये अच्छा ठीक है, यहाँ जाना है यहाँ नहीं जाना है. You're going to be very firm about yourself. This is what I like, this is what I don't like. And then you actually start from the very small jobs and then go up to, okay, this is where I want to work and this is where I don't want to work. This is my worth and this is not my worth. This is not worth my time. This is not how much they can pay me. They can pay me more than this because I deserve more than this. So at the end of the day, that confidence that comes in you after such a structure is immense, and I've actually seen that in the real world. I've seen students coming from very, very humble backgrounds and then going out and saying, I actually deserve a little bit more. I think I can go out for my masters. I can apply to this particular university and I will get into this particular university because I have the skills for this university now. So yeah.
Because in all those years of learning, you have developed the skill, the self-confidence has
Yes.
taken to your part that you can take decisions.
Exactly.
And this is all about liberal, being liberal. You have this liberty,
Yes.
choosing for your own self.
Yet staying grounded.
Very true.
Yet staying grounded to the roots because social awareness comes with it. Because you're actually working with the sectors where people don't want to really step in sometimes. And because ऐसे structures में internships are mandatory sometimes. अब इंटर्नशिप अगर मैंडेटरी हो गई या वर्क, ग्राउंड वर्क मैंडेटरी हो गया, आप एक्चुअली उन सेक्टर्स के साथ जाके काम करके आके अपना डिसीजन बना रहे हो कि ये तो ज़रूर हो सकता है मेरे से. सो दैट गिव्स यू दैट यू नो दैट सेल्फ वर्थ कि हाँ, दिस इज़ व्हाट आई एम मेड ऑफ.
Because you have faced those challenges too, and you have understood the story behind how actually it works.
Yep.
And because you have understood the story, the way is all yours, and you can take decisions. So, as we are heading towards the end of our journey, now what would you like to suggest to the students who might be watching you, and they would, of course, I'm very sure they would be motivated by your talk. So, what suggestions would you like to give to the students?
I think, see, if you're in 12th already, ज़्यादा हाथ पैर नहीं मारते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं है. Focus on your education, focus on classes, focus on school for now. Because when your parents say कि पढ़ाई बहुत ज़रूरी है and 12th के marks will count, people can say a lot of things, but everybody, everywhere, this is your only space of consistency that you've shown for 12 years. So please make sure that you make the last one count, right? So अभी अगर भागोगे कि एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर्स लेने हैं, ये वाले एक्स्ट्रा को करिकुलर्स डाल देते हैं, ये वाले इंटर्नशिप्स कर लेते हैं, यहाँ सोशल वर्क कर लेते हैं, कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है करने की. राइट नाउ जस्ट फोकस ऑन व्हाट यू आर डूइंग. प्रोफाइल सबकी बनी हुई है, वो बस एक एक करके स्टार्ट टॉकिंग टू दीज यूनिवर्सिटीज, दे विल एक्सप्लेन हाउ इट वर्क्स. ख़त्म. If you are in 9th, 10th and 11th, you still have time to explore. You still have time to know that, okay, this is the direction that I might be looking at. Look at a few summer courses. Don't do social work just because दुनिया कर रही है. Don't follow the regular norms. Don't do that. Make your own choices that this is the space that I'm really passionate to work in. I want to work in education. I want to work in women's rights. I want to work in this particular sector because I'm interested to work in this sector. और कुछ नहीं होता तो आज की डेट में तो guys, technology is so advanced कि एक Instagram पेज भी अगर आप 2 साल तक चला लेते हो ना, तो हमें पता होता है कि हाँ, इस बच्चे को इस particular space में passion है. Just focus on yourself. Focus on what you're good at. Try to meddle into different things, but when it comes to deciding your university, always have a backup. I'm not saying don't apply for your NEETs and your JEEs and AIEEEs. Please do that. बहुत time तक बहुत लोग बहुत मेहनत करते हैं इसके लिए. It is important to do that. But universities like us can still be a very good option for sciences, right? If you think that what will I do with just one degree, which is BE honors or BSc honors, trust me, there are so many examples out there that can actually prove you wrong. So again, I'm just going to reiterate, be yourselves, understand yourselves, keep questioning everything on the way so that you can actually understand that particular situation better. Critically think if you can. If you don't, talk to somebody who can actually explain that to you. And don't worry about the future being very gloomy later. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. Every student finds their path. If not now, 10 years down the line, 5 years down the line, 4 years down the line. You will find it. You just don't have to keep overthinking about it. And जो दुनिया कर रही है वो शायद आपके लिए नहीं बना हो. So keep away from the noises.
और हो सकता है जो आप कर रहे हैं कल वो दुनिया करना चाहे.
Point.
This is the point, and we would like to thank you once again for giving us this vicious session where we learnt a lot, not only about the liberal education, but how to live a beautiful life. That is the most important thing. Life is not only about the percentiles or the packages, it is about living the moment, and one lives the moment when one tries to do what he wants to do.
Exactly.
So thank you, Mr. Vrinda Tandon, for giving us this session to us, and we, dear friends, suggest you keep watching us, that because we every time make an effort so that we could reach you, we could reach your heart. We are going to meet again next Thursday. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Thank you.